Today we have Samsung Galaxy 10s. The customer come here and told me he want a screen replacement. Before that, yeah, as you can see, it's raining, so it's gonna be a lot of noise. Okay, from the SIM card tray, open it up. Oh, what is that, brother? We're gonna clean that after. Let's do. Put the battery. Put the isopropyl alcohol. Open it up. You better subscribe or I'll come to your house. Put the phone again. Remove the old screen. Remove all the old glass. Remove the isopropyl alcohol. Put it here. Now with that all cleaned up, it's time to put our new screen. Our new screen. Again, please subscribe. The battery back on. Packet. The back cover. Punch. And we're done. Good as new.